Described as overwhelming. Earlier this week, National Guard members dropped off nearly 2,000 vaccines to hospital pharmacists where it was stored in extremely cold temperatures before that vaccine was administered today. Chief Medical Officer Jeremy Blanchard said over 120 employees who work directly with coronavirus patients got the vaccine today. WTVA's Alexis Jones spoke with a doctor about that humbling experience and joins us live with that story.
Here at North Mississippi Medical Center, the first person in Lee County received the coronavirus vaccine. She's a frontline worker who is finally seeing a light at the end of the tunnel.
If you've seen as many COVID deaths and the suffering that I and others have seen, it is a welcome breath of fresh air.
Dr. Mindy Pruitt is the first person in Lee County to get the vaccine. Pruitt is an infectious disease physician who works closely with coronavirus patients. Dr. Pruitt said she is happy to lead by example, but her patients are the ones who deserve to be first.
It is an honor and a privilege to be the first to receive the vaccine today, but certainly does not mean that I'm any more deserving than anybody else, and certainly there are a lot more who are more deserving than I.
More than 120 workers and providers took the vaccine. Nurses split up into 4 rooms to give the vaccine to one employee at a time. Pulmonary doctor Jamie Ungo was one of the many professionals standing in line. Dr. Ungo said he's grateful the vaccine will help protect him and each person he comes in contact with.
It's horrible to see, it's horrible to witness, and it's very hard for us to treat because we don't have specific treatments yet. So having a vaccine available, or a series of vaccines available now that will prevent the disease, is wonderful news for us.
Everyone will have to get a second dose after 21 days. Dr. Pruitt said her prayers are with those who haven't gotten the vaccine yet and are still suffering.
I think that the vaccine is one step that helps us on the way.
Pruitt wants everyone to know that she is doing just fine. She says symptoms are a good sign. Live in Tupelo, Alexis Jones, WTVA 9 News.